when people sneeze, this is normal, whether it's Corona, Delta, Omicron, or who knows what comes next. May Allah Azza wa Jal preserve us and save us from all pandemics and diseases and conspiracy theories, as they say. So what to do? Sneezing is something that we hear so often. Upon sneezing, Hadith 188.
إذا عطس أحدكم فليقل الحمد لله وليقل له أخوه أو صاحبه يرحمك الله فإذا قال له يرحمك الله فليقل يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم.
The Prophet says, alayhi salam, when one of you sneezes, he should say, Alhamdulillah, all praise is for Allah. So this is the norm. When you sneeze, you say Alhamdulillah. It doesn't stop here. The Prophet says, and his brother or companion or whoever hears him should say to him in reply, Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy upon you. So there's an exchange. Achoo, Alhamdulillah, Yarhamukumullah. It doesn't stop. I have to reply again to his invocation that Allah has mercy upon me by saying, the Prophet says, and he, that is the one who sneezed, replies back to him by saying, Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum. Wa yuslihu balakum. May Allah guide you and rectify your affairs or your condition. Whoa! This is only for sneezing. But look at the beautiful exchange of dua, beautiful words that come out of people's mouths. And this is when you sneeze. Once, or twice, or 3 times. And you say, Alhamdulillah, and I do this, Yarhamukumullah, Yarhamukumullah, Yarhamukumullah. But if I sneeze for the 4th time, then others should stop saying Yarhamukallah, because after the 3rd times, this is flu. This is not something that is random. This is an illness and it's continuous. What to say? Afakallah or Shafakallah. May Allah cure you. That's it. And you don't have to say Yarhamukumullah over and over and over and over again.